Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to write a UG project report using AI tool. So in this video, we are going to see a AI tool. So in that AI tool itself, we are going to make a project report. So I am going to explain with step-by-step procedure for a topic. So how to make it as a project report. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools and different templates available in this AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as our input sources, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking technique to grasp maximum amount of energy from them. So and also we are going to incorporate that input sources to EV charging station, and we are going to make a proper power management between the input sources and the EV charging station using different techniques. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in EV charging station design in MATLAB, so don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to make a better content from ChatGPT using that research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that LMS Solution Research Support. So in this AI tool, so what we are going to do is, first I am going to select a project topic. So this is the project. For example, say this is the project topic. So design and development of a solar PV fed electric vehicle charging station with perturb and observe MPPT. So for first, what are the components we have? First we have to make a abstract here. Abstract. So in this, in order to generate a abstract, so here you will be having an option called chatbot. So open the chatbot. So in this chatbot, so you can enter any question. So generate an abstract for the project title. Copy and paste the project title in about 250 words. So like that, so you can click on ask questions. So after that it will generate answers. It will take several seconds to generate the answer. So here you can see that the project design and development aims to create a sustainable development. So like that you will generate an abstract using this AI tool, AI template. So you can copy and paste the abstract here. So here this is our abstract. Next, what you can do is, so you can ask for the outline of your project report. So in this, I am going to give an input prompt. So generate or give an outline of the project report titled. Just to copy and paste the title again here. So copy the title and paste the title here with 6 chapters and corresponding subheadings. So like that you can give an input prompt. So let us see how it will generate content for us. So in this chatbot, so you can give an input prompt. So the input prompt what you are giving is very important. So here you can see that, so the chapter wise outline is generated. So here copy that text and you can paste here. So this you can clear view. So introduction will be the chapter 1. So here I am going to name it as chapter 1. So your introduction. Next this will be 1.1. Next 1.2 and 1.3. So next one, this will be chapter 2. So chapter 2, you can edit here. Chapter 2 is literature review. So overview of solar PV systems. Next electric vehicle charging stations. Next about perturb and observe algorithm. So for that categories we have to take references. So that is our next point. So for this chapter 2, so we have to take the references, name it as 2.1, next 2.2, next 2.3 and then 2.4. Likewise you can name all these chapters. So next to chapter 3, so design and development of solar PV EV charging station. So here you need block diagrams. So here you can draw block diagrams here using any of the software. I have always recommended using Microsoft Visio. So it is one of the best software to draw block diagrams and pictures in your research paper for high quality. So next regarding with the chapter 4 deals with it, that is perturb and observe algorithm implementation. So here we can take it as 4.1, next to 4.2, next to 4.3, next to 4.4. So here you can paste here. Next to performance evaluation. So in this we have to compare the parameters related with our output. So after taking output, so you can evaluate or you can make a performance analysis using your simulation outputs. So you can compare all the parameters. That compared parameters can be made or tabulated using this AI templates. So next one, conclusion and future scope. So you can give conclusion and future scope also. So you can take it as 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 and 6.4. Yes, our outline of the that is report will be generated. So first we will complete our chapter 1. So first what I am going to ask is, refresh the template again. Give an introduction for the, so here our first one will be overview of the project title. So you can copy and paste the title again here. So this is the title. So go to that tab and then click on ask questions. So here you can see that introduction will be generated. So copy that introduction, so and you can paste here. Next you can go to our second one, that is importance of solar PV fed electric vehicle charging station. You can refresh again. So thereby you can get a pure window, that is again a new window. So after that what you can ask is, you can give an input from that. Explain about the importance of solar PV fed electric vehicle charging station in detail. So like that you can give an input prompt. So our chatbot will start to generate answer for us. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see these are some merits that is related with that importance of EV charging station. So here you can copy the content, so and you can paste here. So next one is objectives of the project. So in the objectives of the project, what you can do is again go to the chatbot. So go to the chatbot again. So refresh, thereby you can get a new page. Here what you can do is give 4 research objectives for the project title. So what you can do is again go to that report page. So copy the title again, so and you can paste here and then click on ask questions. So it will start to generate. Yes, here you can see that very crisply our research objective will be generated. So here you can see that you can copy our research objective. Yes, our chapter 1 is finished now. You can, if you need elaborated content, you can use that is, you can often use, you can use this much amount of words, like that you can give, means it will generate an elaborate content. It is just a tutorial that how you can use this tool to generate a better content for your project report writing. So next, here you can see in the literature review, so we will take 5 references. So you can take here you can see that a overview of solar PV systems. In that you can take references related with overview of solar PV systems. So in order to do so, you can use any of the AI tools for reference like semantic scholar. So here, in order to make that is sooner, so I am going for a Google Scholar. So here, overview of PV system, or else you can use elicit, some of the tools which will be very helpful for us to make a literature review. So you can use elicit also. So here what I am going to do is, the first thing is that, so I am going to give range as 2020. This I am going to overview of PV system. So I am going to select some of the references related with PV system. So I am going to give it from 2015. Copy this content, so you can copy the references. So for PV system, so you can use this reference. So next, here you can see overview of photovoltaic system. So copy that one and you can paste that one. So like that you can take how much reference you need to want, so you can take. So in order to show you an example, I am going to take only 2 references. So you can take more than 10 or 15 references, whatever you want you can take. Next, paper related with electric vehicle charging station. So go to Google Scholar again, electric vehicle charging station, or you can give it as a PV fed electric vehicle charging station. So it will give the answers related to PV fed electric vehicle charging station. So you can copy. So in order to show you an example, I am going to copy and paste only 2 references alone. So here you can see that PV fed electric vehicle charging station. Here you can see this will be very apt for us. So copy 2, that is 2 references. So after that, maximum PowerPoint tracking techniques. So for that, what I am going to do is, I am going to copy and paste the content, paste the title here. So title of our project. So here you can see that. So likewise, related with our topics, many of the references will be there. So for both the sections, I am taking common references. I will take 5 different references. So take that 5 references. Performance evaluation of PV fed. So like that, there are different types of references available. So related with this work. So next, design of 3 levels charging station with 1 megawatt solar panel. So this is also very related to our project. So next, copy and paste. Next, design and management of solar powered electric vehicle charging station with energy storage system. So, fourth reference. And then what we can do is modeling of electric vehicle charging station using solar PV system. So, copy that references and paste the references again. So, what you can do is you can use our AI template. So, go to LMS research support. So, in this LMS research support, you will be having 5 different AI templates especially designed for research, literature review. So, you can use any of the template. So, to make a instant literature review, so you can use the 2 templates called literature review, first one. So, another one is reference to content. These two literature review templates will give an instant literature review. So, we have taken references for that first overview of solar PV system. So, copy that one. So, go to our AI templates again. So, what you can do is you can copy and paste the references and you can give what is the citation style you want. For example, I am going to give IEEE or APA, whatever you want give. So, next copy and paste the literature review here and then click literature review. So, here you can see that literature review is generated. So, in this reference to content also the literature review is generated. In literature survey also the literature review also the literature is generated. So, here you can see in this literature review template you can get the what are the limitations or demerits associated with the particular papers. In this you can get a consolidated that is literature review. So, whatever you want according to your need you can take. So, copy this content, go to that literature review part. So, and you can paste here. Like that you can do this for all your literature review. So, you can refresh again. Refresh. So, again what you can do is you can copy and paste your references. So, copy and paste your references here and then click literature review. So, in this time we can take this literature review. So, here our literature review is completed. So, like that you can make use of this AI tool to complete your literature review. So, our chapter 2 will be completed like in this manner. So, starting from this project report preparation, we have made abstract chapter 1, next is chapter 2. So, next thing is that chapter 3. So, in this chapter 3 you have to draw a block diagram. So, thereby you can get a better idea. So, you can use Microsoft Visio to draw block diagram. So, after that you can use this for that subtopic. Again you can go to the chatbot. So, you can ask in this explain about the design and considerations of solar PV system with relevant equations. So, like that you can ask anything with this chatbot. So, let us see how it will generate answer for us. So, here you can see that. So, the design consideration for this solar PV system will generated. So, you can copy the text. So, and you can paste here design considerations. So, like that you can generate the same thing for this also, design considerations for electric vehicle charging station. So, copy that. So, again do the same with the chatbot. So, refresh. So, you can paste here and then click on ask questions. So, it will generate the design considerations for electric vehicle charging stations also. So, here you can see that the design considerations for electric vehicle charging stations also generated. So, you can paste here. So, like that you can use chatbot to generate answers. So, next one is that perturb and observe MPPT algorithm implementation. So, here you can ask for a algorithm. So, here I am going to refresh again. So, in this what I am going to do is I am going to ask for a give step by step algorithm for the perturb and observe MPPT method. So like that you can give an input prompt. So in the meantime, so another important template available in this LMS research support is called generate MATLAB code. So just to click on that generate MATLAB code. So in this you can generate MATLAB code for perturb and observe algorithm also. So here I am going to ask generate and MATLAB code for perturb and observe MPPT algorithm. So like that you can generate content using this generate MATLAB code option. So click on generate. So it will generate a error free MATLAB code for you. So you can use this code for your implementation. So here you can see this, the MATLAB code will be generated. So here you can copy, before that we can copy and paste the algorithm. So here you can see the step by step algorithm will be generated. So you can use this, you can copy and paste the step by step algorithm for perturb and observe algorithm. So if you want flow chart, you can draw a flow chart using Visio. So or else if you want automated flow chart, so we have made a video regarding about how to draw flow chart using AI with that is latex code can be used in another software. So you can use overleaf software. So you can see the video to check how to automate or draw a flow chart. So you can make use of this option. So in the meantime you will get your MATLAB code. So here you can see that your MATLAB code will be generated here. So here copy that MATLAB code. So and you can, if you want, you can add the report in appendix. So here you can add MATLAB code. So like that you can generate content for this perturb and observe. That is chapter 4 also you can generate content using this AI template. So next one is that performance evaluation. So in this performance evaluation you may have different types of charts and flow, that is results, etc. So and then you can have some comparison table also. So in order to explore that, so I am going to take a random table here. So here I am going to open this. For example, so this is the random table I am having. So in this, so you can copy this random table. So what you can do is go to our chatbot. For example, say it is the result table means. So explain the table option will be available. So click on explain the table option. So in this explain the table option, so you can copy and paste the table and give explain the, just a minute, copy and paste the table and give explain the table. So you can get table explanation in seconds. So here you can see that the table displays. So like that it will generate the explanation of the table also. So here you can see in this performance evaluation or test, so you can have comparison with different algorithms. So you can have the explanation of the table. So here you have taken a random table here. So in your experimental results you may have some tables related with that. So here the comparison of different MPPT, that is MPPT 1, method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4, etc. So after that what you can do is you can draw graphs and chart using this code also. Here you can see that. So again go to that generate MATLAB code template and refresh again. So in this generate MATLAB code template, what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the same table again. So copy the table and you can paste the table here. So after that you can see an input prompt. So for the above table, generate a MATLAB code to draw graph output power x-axis, efficiency in y-axis. So I am going to copy this table. So go to this table. So copy and paste here. So after that what you can do is you can click generate code. So it will generate code for us, MATLAB code to draw graphs and charts. So in the meantime we will open MATLAB. So it will take several seconds to open. So after that what you can do is you can copy and paste the code in MATLAB. So here you can see that the MATLAB code to draw pictures for that particular tabulation is generated. So here you can copy the text, go to MATLAB. So you can paste that MATLAB code to generate the graph. So here you can see that, so our graph will be generated. So you can save or export this graph. So here you can see that, save it as 300, apply to figure and export, give export. So here you can see save in JPEG file. So go to desktop and save. So after that what you can do is, so you can copy and paste the comparison. So copy this one and you can paste here. Sorry. So in this comparative analysis, so you can paste here. So this is how your chapter 5 will be also be completed using this AI tool. So next one is conclusion and future scope. So for this again you can go to our chatbot. So AI chatbot, refresh that again. So what you can do is, so you can ask generate an introduction, generate an conclusion for the generate and conclusion for the paper or project, whatever you want. You can give project titled. So you can copy and paste the title again here. So this is the title. So and the important thing is that, so you can give the table explanation considering, go to the chatbot again, considering the table, the results table. So like that you can give an input, because whenever you are writing a conclusion, so you cannot able to give a generalized conclusion, you cannot include a new explanation. So in this you have to mention that which method will be a superior one. For that you have to take some content from results. So thereby AI will generate a clear that is conclusion for your project. So here you can see that, so this is the conclusion. So in this conclusion you can see that the results from the experiment can be compared with other MPBT, effectiveness of perturb and observe. So here you can see that its efficiency, percentage of perturb are comparable to those sort of MPBT techniques. So like that it will generate a comparative answers. That results also always your conclusion always focuses how your work will be superior when compared to the other literature review you have made. So like that only you have to make and write conclusion. So this is how you can generate a project report using our that is AI templates. So in this we will be having different AI templates. So here you can see we have used templates called explain the table, reference to content, next one is that, just a minute, next one is that generate MATLAB code, next explain the table. So these are the different templates. Next one is chatbot. These are the different templates is used. After completing your project report, what you want to do? So you will be having grammatical mistakes or grammar corrections or spelling mistakes, manual errors will be available. So for that also you will be having a template called grammar corrector. So if you want to convert that reference style from APA format to Chicago format or APA to IEEE format, you can use this reference style converter format. So next one is that, so if you want a detailed literature review, you can use this detailed literature review and chat with PDF templates. After completing all your report, if you want to reduce plagiarism in your research paper, you will be having this plagiarism reducer template also. And then you can have paraphrasing template also. You can use paraphrasing template or plagiarism reducing template to reduce your plagiarism in your research paper. So this is how you can use all our templates to make a project report very easily. So hope this video bring an aware about how to write a project report using our AI tool. So make use of this option to make your project report writing simple. So you can use this to write a project report instantly. In half a day you can complete your project report easily. So you can make use of this option. Apart from this, as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so LMS AI basic plan at 0 you can access LMS AI that is basic plan templates unlimited for 7 days. Next LMS AI Pro plan at just ₹99. So you can access, you can have unlimited access for 1 month our LMS AI Pro plan templates. Next, LMS AI Ultimate Plan at just 199. So you can access our LMS AI Ultimate Plan for 1 month. Next, LMS AI Premium Plan at 999. You can have unlimited access for 1 year. And that important thing is that you will get a new AI template will be updated for every month. So you can make use of this option to make your research paper writing and also your project report writing very simple. So you can access all our AI templates. So and also we are offering other services like plagiarism checking and then plagiarism remover service. You can check plagiarism using Turnitin. Next one is plagiarism removing project report. This will be very useful for you. I have given a step-by-step explanation for each and every chapter how to make a content. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.